Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Chrome or a Chromium alternative on Android. Once installed, open the browser and switch to desktop mode so extensions can load. Make sure you also install Kiwi or Yandex because standard Chrome for Android blocks extensions. Enable app permissions and developer options if prompted. This lets the browser accept unpacked or store extensions. Start by opening the browser's menu, choose Extensions or Add-ons, and prepare to sideload Tubebuddy. You're setting up the environment so the extension can run properly. Next, download the Tubebuddy extension file. CRX or zipped extension works. Once the file is on your device, open the browser's extensions page and either drag and drop the CRX or use the Install from File option. Kiwi and Yandex support this. When prompted, review and grant permissions for tabs, cookies, and local storage because Tubebuddy needs access to your YouTube pages. After installation, pin or enable the extension. This ensures it injects tools into YouTube pages when you load them. Finally, open YouTube in desktop mode and refresh the page. Tubebuddy should inject its toolbar and overlays next to videos. Sign in to your Tubebuddy account and connect your channel so analytics and keyword tools sync properly. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure the extension is enabled in Extensions, then clear the browser cache and reload. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the extension file. One key tip: desktop mode and granted permissions are often the cause when features don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.